It was a draft resolution that was circulating among senators declaring the de facto dismissal of the impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte.
Alam niyo po, alam ng mga gumawa niyan na unconstitutional yan at ito ay dereliction of duty, ika nga sa military. At but they are pushing it. Bakit tinutulak ito ng mga pro-Duterte senators? Kasi natatakot sila na pagka nasimulan ang impeachment trial ni Sara, makikita yung mga iba't ibang krimen ni Sara Duterte.
Alright, did you see it coming though that may magpapaikot na ganitong draft resolution prior to supposedly the June 11 reading of or the presentation of articles of impeachment and the oath-taking of the senator judges?
Hindi natin nakita yan nung simula kasi supposed to be ministerial ang role ng pagbubukas ng impeachment trial kasi maliwanag yung sa Constitution, hindi mo kailangan ng malalimang interpretasyon dyan. Pero binabaluktot ang interpretasyon precisely merong agendang pigilan ang impeachment trial.
But if you actually, Senator, look at the numbers and even during the midterm elections, the results of the midterm elections, it didn't really favor the administration. In fact, it favored the opposition or the Duterte bloc, as they call themselves. So bakit po sila matatakot when it seems, doon po sa mga nagbibilang, they have the numbers?
Yes. Alam niyo kung kumpiyansa talaga sila dyan sa numbers niya. Precisely, pwede naman kayong mag-acquit sa dulo. Kaso, as what we have seen nung impeachment ni former Chief Justice Renato Corona, and I was there, nung una, nung pinupulsuhan ng mga analyst yung leaning conviction o leaning acquittal, lamang yung leaning acquittal. No, I think kabilang nun, 10 yung leaning conviction, 13 yung leaning acquittal. Pero because of the evidence, nung na-present na yung ebidensya during the trial, kinalaunan, 20 yung nag-convict, 3 lang yung nag-acquit. Ganon din ang mangyayari dito. Ang bilangan kasi sa dulo, hindi sa una. Kaya we should not assume na hindi komo ang mga public pronouncements o iba't ibang mga senador ay leaning acquittal, leaning conviction. It doesn't mean na mananatili yun. Yung lahat ay magbabase primarily sa ebidensya. Then yung public opinion, pag nakumbinsi yung sambayan ng Pilipino na talagang guilty si Sara Duterte, it will be very difficult for the senators as representatives of the people na salumatin yon yung pulso ng bayan na yun.
Do you think that in the course of the trial, that again, if we look at the numbers, it favors the Vice President because you need 2/3 to convict, ano po? Do you think that as the trial, if the trial will actually proceed, that there will be a change of mind among those who believe the Vice President should be acquitted?
Okay, i-categorize natin. Yung mga hardcore na Duterte senators, kahit na makita nila sa video na kung anong krimen ang ginagawa, hindi yan. No? Nakita natin yung viral video ni Pulong Duterte na nag-a-attempt sumaksak ng isang tao. It didn't affect the hardcore followers ni Pulong. Ganon din dito. Hindi na yan maapektuhan. So ilan ba sila?
Ilan po yun?
We're counting at least at most 5 yung hardcore na Duterte na kahit the evidence is staring them in the face, hindi sila mag-observe.
Senator?
Well, I think kilala naman yan yung mga tao niyan. But if you want to enumerate, nandiyan dyan na si Aimee, si Bongo, Bato, Robin, tsaka si Marcoleta.
Yes, so yung isang sabi yung 5.
Ayan, yan yung solid. Then, pag titignan nyo, merong 10 na pwedeng kumbaga, leaning conviction or alam nila based on the information na nakita na beforehand eh, leading conviction, ano?
So,
10
may
yan.
10.
Oo. Then you have 9 na tinatawag nating, sabihin na natin, undecided or transactional votes na tinatawag natin. Transactional votes, no? So, itong mga ito ay, kumbaga, they can go either way. Yes. So, just doing that, doing the math there, pwede umabot ng 19 yung conviction.
If all the undecided actually go with
Yes.
conviction.
So, theoretically, you can get 19.
So, ang nakikita niyo pong certainty dito, 10 versus 5. 10 for conviction, 5 for acquittal. Yung pong sigurado.
Leaning, yung mga leaning, no? Ito yan, kasi ang hindi pwede kasing isusuko mo na kaagad, di pa nagsisimula, pinupulsuhan mo pa lang based on sa public pronouncement, suko pa na. Hindi ganun. That's not how it works. And again, I've seen that. Talagang kahit sa mga botohan noon, lamang na lamang yung mga pro-acquittal kay Chief Justice Corona. Pero nung lumabas yung mga bank accounts, tapos nung nag-meltdown si Chief Justice Corona doon sa witness stand, nagbago isip ng karamihan. So in the end, 20 nga kami noon, no? Kung convicted. Ngayon, ganun din. Ako, I'm confident. Pag nagsimula yung trial, lalabas yung mga bank accounts ni Sara Duterte na joint accounts with Digong Duterte na billions yung transactions in and out na pera. And ang critical dito, yung every 6 months, merong dividendo silang nakukuha galing sa isang drug lord. Ako, sinasabi ko na yan, and dito, I'm so confident nandiyan na lalabas yan. And ako, no, I've been saying this the past, 9 years. Ngayon, sinasabi nila.
Since 2016
Yeah,
po ata.
so that's 9 years.
Right,
So,
9 years.
sinasabi nila, gawa-gawa ko yan din, ito yan. Kung ginawa ko lang yan, imagine talagang wala na ako. Wala na akong credibility forever, no? Pero I am so confident that it's there. Ngayon sila yung natatakot kasi alam nila na totoo yung sinasabi ko.
Why would you say that, for example, sir, totoo pong natatakot sila when you have the Vice President saying that she wants the trial to proceed and she wants a bloodbath?
This incredible toilet cleaning powder can bring your bathroom back to life in less than 10 minutes.